Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting so that you can be very careful in case this happens to you. They have brought us to the workshop a BMW Model E39, a 530 diesel common rail system. This problem that I'm going to talk about in the video can happen to any other vehicle that has a common rail system in the engine. The problem that this engine had was that it was difficult to start. And then when it started, the idle speed was unstable. It was difficult to accelerate, and it jerked. We put it into the diagnosis machine, and we got these two errors. P3505, control circuit of the glow plug module. There, the problem I had was that the heater module, glow plugs, was bad. It has been changed, and this problem has been solved. And P0190, rail pressure sensor. There I want to focus on a problem that you may encounter. It has already been changed and the problem is now solved. But in this car, to remove the rail pressure sensor, those of you who have this engine already know that you have to dismantle the intake manifold, and it takes a lot of work to dismantle and reassemble the manifold intake. To simply change that sensor, look, I'm going to show you the sensor. As I say, it has already been changed and the problem has been solved. This is the sensor. But if you notice the metal gasket is missing, it has been left inside the rail. I asked my colleague to see where that joint is. He still took it out and has it separate. And the problem is that it had stayed inside the rail. If we don't realize it and mount the other sensor, well, it comes in with two gaskets. What would happen is that it would start to leak diesel there, and the part could even be damaged. Look, there you see the problem that had happened. And that is that whoever installed this sensor previously, you see that he pressed too hard. You see that he has deformed the sensor gasket, and that is why it was left inside. Look how the gasket works. Here I will show you how it is installed. You can see that it is crushed. The strange thing is that when it is like this, the strange thing is that it didn't leak diesel there. This is a soft steel gasket, but that sensor takes a couple of tightening. And here, whoever put it in over-tightened, and that's why it stayed inside. Here's what. Be careful when you remove this sensor and make sure that the gasket comes out with the sensor. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.